This is a fantastic attacking game by Spassky, showcasing his dynamic and aggressive style against Seirawan's Pirc defense. A useful move to prevent alfill g4 and restrict black's piece activity. Black prepares queenside expansion with b5 or even c5. White stops b5 and maintains space advantage. A questionable move that allows white to gain time with exchanges. Another inaccuracy. White gains development and activity. A strong attacking move, threatening immediate action on f7. Black defends passively, allowing white to continue the attack. Bringing more pieces into the attack, though e6 followed by d5 was more precise. Black tries to neutralize the powerful bishop c4. Spassky castles queenside, committing fully to an attack on the kingside. Seirawan prepares to reinforce the kingside defense. White begins a pawn storm against black's king. A mistake. Black opens lines for white's attack, activating the rook on d1, increasing pressure. The worst seems to be over for black, thanks to the attack on the e5 pawn. He plans rook fd8, preparing knight f8, as well as b5, opening lines against the white king. How should white continue? Brilliant! Spassky speeds up his attack with a fresh sacrifice of material in order to open the h-file. The attack is very difficult to parry. Seirawan failed to find the most tenacious defense, and the game finished in a 23-move miniature. Precise play, adding pressure to h7. A desperate attempt at counterplay. A powerful move, shattering black's defenses. Seirawan is completely lost. Seirawan resign, a beautiful attacking miniature by Spassky. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment, share, and subscribe.